There's Wag Chicago. Got the old olives in there now. I got broccoli, fresh, as fresh as I can get. Green beans, they're still hard. They're cooking up. I got the red bell peppers in there. Ground turkey. Carrots, those take a long time to cook. So the carrots are all cut up. None of this is from the can, folks. And I'm not like Joe Cook or Joe Cookoff or whatever you want to call me. It's not a cooking show either. It may turn into one since I can't talk about nothing else. So anyways, back to the nano dots. They spray your food when they process it at the plant. And it has nano dots, or nano tags they're called, that they spray in the water that they're going to rinse the chlorine off, because they always got to rinse the chlorine. If you've never been in a plant doing water treatment, like I said, I've seen it. And you probably wouldn't need it. But anyways, we're used to just getting shit out of the bag. So, oh, look at what we got here. Can't say this word. Never say that on here. Woo. Anyways, the dots then, if there's an outbreak near you, they could scan it with a wand, a magic wand. And this sounds familiar, because didn't the old Dark Arts company a couple days ago say they're going to get a tag to put in you? They literally said this. And now I've been telling you this for years, since like 2016 or 2012. Anyways, they got tags on your vegetables like this. That's why I was scrubbing them. Wow, does that smell good? Oh, I wish you were here. Look at that steam. You could smell the earth. I smell dirt. You see what I'm saying? Your body needs this. I wish I did this 20 years ago. All you young people that listen to my channel, start. And this is cheaper to do. Don't get the Uber Eats. $30 for a beef sandwich and fries. Are you crazy? For $30, you could eat for a week. And meatballs from Italy. Those are Italy meatballs. Anyways, the nano tags are there for your safety. Who knows what they do? I'm looking into it. What do they do when they're in your gut? Do they ever leave? Because we know about the nano things that go in the icky. I got to be real careful what I talk about. And, I wish you could smell this. Oh, my. I don't know if I could do cooking videos and talk. I can't keep a train of thought going. I want to eat this now, but it ain't soft enough to eat yet. You know what I'm saying? Unless you want to chew for like a horse or a cow. Even though we're feeling like cattle right now, huh? You ever feel like you're a cattle getting ready to be, tagged? And then tetting on, what do you call it? Train car? I'm going to come back. I'm running out of room again. I didn't know I had that many videos on this phone. I barely use this for doing this, so I must have old stuff on here. Yeah, I wanna come back and say something about that. All right, I'll be back. This is Wag Chicago. But you're not even gonna know I was gone. But well, you will now because I just screwed up the cut. But so I don't do editing. I'm gonna scan this into YouTube, and then I'm gonna put the 3 videos I upload together in one video. All with my screen capture. So you'll see it anyways. Oh, look at this. Hear it? Hope you can hear that. It's Wag Chicago on a cell phone. Cell phone in a shoestring channel about to get zapped. I'm out. I'll be back.